Hi class, so when we were together, we looked at word clouds, and so we went to abcyacht.com, clicked on search games, typed in word cloud. This is just a little refresher. We're all going to be creating word clouds for your unit plan. Click on go. Search results below. So there's two things I wanted to share with you about word clouds. You have to click that. One is if you say a name multiple times, like my name, it'll appear larger. And also want to show you that if you put words together with the tilde, they will stay together. Like Grand Canyon. I was going to say random words here. Pizza, I'm really hungry. Pizza, cheese, all my favorite things. I have no idea why I just put all those words together. But you see how Grand Canyon stay together and my name's really large? Then those are the two things I want to show you. And you can randomize it. Or you could even change the color scheme, the layout. It looks like it's in heart. Font size. And then you can save it. You can edit it, save, print, and use it as a picture for your website. That's how you create a word cloud. Thanks.